Hello, welcome to Analog Circuit Design online lecture series. Myself Rima Rawat from LG Institute of Engineering and Technology in the Department of Electronics and Communication. In this session, we are going to see the unit feedback amplifiers, and in this unit today's topic is expression of transfer gain with feedback and comparison of feedback topologies. So let's start with that. So, first of all, let us see the expression of transfer gain with feedback. So, here in this diagram, the basic amplifier having the gain A is indicated with the feedback network beta is indicated. Here, input signal is given to the mixer where the two signals are compared. One is the input signal and the other one is feedback signal, which will generate a different signal which is given to the basic amplifier block, and then it is obtained as the output signal. So here, step 1 is to obtain the amplifier gain, which is given as XO by Xi, that is output by input, and AF, that is feedback gain, which is XO by XS, that is output by source voltage. Okay. If we refer to the figure, we can say that Xi, that is input, is the difference of the source XS minus XF. So AF is given as XO upon Xi plus XF. If we divide the numerator and denominator by Xi to write AF, that is given as XO by Xi upon 1 plus XF by Xi. Okay, so this is the equation of gain with feedback. Let us see the step 3. So here XO by Xi is A, that is amplifier gain. So feedback amplifier gain is given as A upon 1 plus XF by Xi, which is given as A upon 1 plus XF by X0 into XO by Xi. So it is given as A upon 1 plus beta A, where beta is called as the feedback factor, which is given as XF by XO. Okay. So this was the equation for transfer gain with feedback. Again, I am saying it is given as A upon 1 plus beta A. Sometimes examples from this formulas may come. You will be given the value of amplifier gain and the feedback factor of feedback gain. You need to place the values in the equation to get the amplifier gain with feedback. Okay. So again I am repeating, AF, that is transfer gain with feedback, is given as A amplifier gain divided by 1 plus beta feedback factor into amplifier gain A. Okay. Now let us see the comparison of feedback topologies. So here we have seen that there are basically 4 types of feedback. First one is voltage series feedback. Second one is current series feedback. Third one is voltage shunt feedback. And the next one is current shunt feedback. So we are going to compare 4 these topologies for different parameters. Okay. So here the first parameter is the gain. Okay. We are going to see the effect of the gain in different types of feedback topologies. So if we look at the gain, for voltage series it decreases. For current series it decreases also. For voltage shunt it also decreases, and for current shunt is also decreases. If we look at the input resistance, second parameter Ri. So the input resistance for voltage series is increasing or high. For current series it is increasing high, and for voltage shunt and for current shunt it decreases. Okay. That is the effect of input resistance. Now the third parameter, that is RO, which is called as output resistance. So output resistance for voltage series decreases. For current series it increases, that is it is high. For voltage shunt it decreases, it is low, and for current shunt, it is increasing, it is high. Okay. Now, next parameter, fourth parameter is noise. So, if we look at the noise parameter, so the noise for voltage series decreases, that is low. For current series, it decreases. For voltage shunt, it also decreases, and for current shunt, it also decreases. That means noise parameter is same for all of these types of feedback. Now, next is frequency distortion. So, frequency distortion for voltage series is decreasing. Also, for current series, voltage shunt and current shunt, it is decreasing or it decreases. It is low. Next is bandwidth. Bandwidth increases for this kind of feedback and it is high requirement for 4 topologies. Now, let us see the next. That is feedback gain. So, feedback gain for voltage series is given as AH, which is given as VO by VS, that is output voltage divided by source voltage. For the second case, that is for current series feedback, it is given as GMF, that is equals to IO by VS, where IO is the output current and VS is the source voltage. Next, for voltage shunt, for that RMF, that is equals to VO by IS, where VO is output voltage and IS is the source current. And the last one is current shunt, for that AIF, that is equals to IO by IS, where IO is the output current and IS is the source current. So remember the formulas for feedback gain for all of these 4 topologies. I repeat, for voltage series, it is AF equals to VO by VS. For current series, it is GMF, that is IO by VS. For voltage shunt, it is RMF, that is equals to VO by IS. And for current shunt, it is IIF, that is IO by IS. Okay. Now, the last parameter is the feedback factor beta. So, feedback factor beta for voltage series is given as VS by VO, where VS is the feedback voltage and VO is the output voltage. For current shunt, it is given as VF by IO, where VF is the feedback voltage and IO is the output current. For voltage shunt, feedback factor is given as IF by VO, where IF is the feedback current and VO is the output voltage. And for current shunt, it is the ratio of currents IF by IO. Okay, so these are the formula for feedback factor for 4 of these topologies. Okay. Now, let us see analysis of feedback amplifier. This is very important. Try to remember the formulas for that. There may be derivations for each and every equations. So, remember the formulas for 4 of the topologies. So, first one is feedback signal, that is XL. So, for voltage series, the feedback is what? Voltage. For current series, in the feedback network, feedback is voltage. For current shunt, the feedback signal is current. Here, in voltage shunt, the feedback signal is current. Okay. So, remember that here the feedback signal depends on the word shunt or series. If series word is used, remember that feedback will be voltage. If shunt word is used for these 2 cases, feedback signal will be current. Clear? Next, sampled signal. Here the name suggests voltage series, it voltage sampling. So sample signal is voltage. Current series, current sampling is done. So current is sample signal. current shunt, current sampling is done as we have seen earlier. So here the sample signal is current. Here in voltage shunt, voltage sampling is done. So sample signal is voltage. Clear? Now, next is beta, that is feedback factor. Here it is VF by VO, VF by IO, IF by IO and VO by II. Okay? Next, gain A is XO by XI. So according to that, here AB, voltage gain is VO by VI. Here GM, IO by VI. AI, IO by II. RM equals to VO by II. Okay? If we say D, that is equals to 1 plus beta I, so here it is 1 plus beta AB, here 1 plus beta GM, 1 plus beta AI and 1 plus beta RM. Now, if we say that what is the gain with feedback values for 4 of these parameters, so here for voltage series it is AB by D, where D is what? D is 1 plus beta AB. So it is AB by D. Next, for current series, it is GM by D. For current shunt, it is AI by D. And for voltage shunt, it is RM by D. Okay? RIF, that is input resistance with feedback, which is RI into D, RI into D, RI by D, RI by D. Again, I am saying D is what? These are the values for D. Okay? Next, ROF, output resistance with feedback. Remember the values. ROF, here it is RO upon 1 plus beta ID, that is D. Here it is RO into 1 plus beta GM, that is D for current series. Here RO into 1 plus beta AI, right? AI is the current gain, or as you can say RO into D. It is RO by D, where D is what? 1 plus beta RM. Okay? So these are the parameters or characteristics of the equations for different types of feedback topologies. You need to remember at least 3 of these formulas. It may be asked for derivation also. So AF, that is gain with feedback. Remember the formulas for these cases. Next is RIF, that is input resistance with feedback. Remember for this 4 cases. And ROF, that is output resistance with feedback. Remember the formulas for these cases. Whether it is RO multiplied by D or RO divided by D. Okay? These are the references you can refer through. Thank you. Thank you for listening and thanks for watching.